Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day! I'm super excited. I received this package from Dina and she is crafting it up with D on YouTube. I'm gonna put this box aside because it's far too big to leave on my desk. And let's open this unboxing. This is the XOXO swap hosted by Patty and Me Crafts, and it's me, Roxie. But I'll leave all of the information down below. I was included in a talented group of ladies, and I'm so excited to open this box. So I'm gonna take the thing off this top. This is a beautiful little wand here. It says XOXO. Super cute. Perfect for decoration. Oh my god. Dina, you spoiled me, girl. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, the box alone is just so pretty. And this came in super heavy, but I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna open this little bundle here first. Alright. Oh my god, how cute is this? So she gave me like these little baggies, like Ziploc bags. She made little clusters, and oh, I love these. Look how cute this is. She used the cutter parts in the collection. We did agree upon using the crepe paper My Valentine collection. So, oh my god, this is your memory decks card. Oh my god. Let me just move some of this to the side. Look how pretty this is. She is chunky monkey thick, and it's a shaker. I love all the little layers that you did. Look how darling that is. Absolutely cute. Oh my god, so adorable. Love it. And then, oh, I think this came off of this baggie. But again, another little adorable little ribbon, like just dangle. I love that with the cut apart. Totally gonna use that. And then in here, oh my god, what did you give me? It's a belly band. Oh, look at this. She gave me all of these adorable sequence mix. Oh, thank you, Dee. I love the little belly band. So perfect. Here's this one, and this one is like a little bag topper. Look how cute that is. Girl, you have a lot of dies. Just open this little baggie. Oh, little box. I'm just gonna pull this little ribbon off. Okay. Look how cute that is. Oh, in honor of my Valentine's Day, I did my nails. Anyways. Oh, how adorable. These are so sweet. So, so sweet. She made me some bows and some of these hot hair balloons. Love them. Thank you. And you're so smart to use the cut aparts because I use the back side. Okay, so I'm going to cut that to the side. I have this little bundle here that she put this adorable little bag topper on top with the bow and the little gemmy. So cute. Oh, it's a candle. Coral coconut scented candle. It says always be kind. I love that. It smells so good. Thank you. I love candles. So this will be well used. Okay. Oh my god, girl. So she sprinkled the box. Oh my god. Of course, it's sweet. Oh, something fell. Twix and Snickers, and there's a whole bag of Hershey Kisses in here. I'm so excited. Because, you know, you have to send sweet love. Okay, oh my god. Dina, you sent so much. Like, why is this box so heavy? Okay, so we have more presents in here. Love that. A little shaker candy. Oh, this is so cute. I'm totally going to put this in my little three-tier tray. Sorry, that was a tongue twister. I love this. Thank you so much. Love, love. Okay. Okay, sorry for the noise. I'm going to open up the next one. Look how cute this is. She wrapped it like a big candy. How cute. I'm going to keep this little shakers. There we go. And is there any easy way to open this? No. We got this wrapped up like Fort Knox. Ooh. Don't do that. I'm just going to take a scissor. There we go. What is this? Oh my god! Is this the little cart from... Girl? No wonder this thing was so heavy. Oh my god, Dina! Look how cute this is. Get this out of the way. Oh, there's a fire truck passing. Anyways, I'm so sorry about the noise, but I have to get through this. This is those little carts from Target. I've seen these, and she filled it up with like a bajillion rosettes. Oh my god, thank you so much for these. These will be put to good use. Oh, you are so sweet. Oh my god, absolutely adorable. Thank you so much, Dina. Girl, you spoiled me. And this box has like 3 bags of like shred. Oh my goodness. That I will be saving every single piece. Girl, you did far too much. Here's a little box. It did come a little open. Oh, the Velcro. Okay. Because it was bursting at the seams. Let's see what's in here. Oh, how cute. Another little box. This is an adorable little pen. Oh, how cute. This is adorable. And this little sweet little box. Let's open. This ribbon is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this ribbon is. Girl, you spoiled me. This is adorable. I love diamond dots. Thank you so much. And this box fits it perfectly. And I love the colors you chose for it. Thank you, Dina. I am overwhelmed with love. Okay. Let's see. Next box here. Oh my goodness. Gave me all of these adorable ribbons. I have not seen them in Dollar Tree too. These are so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my god, how beautiful. This is a nesting heart and some foliage dye. Adorable little socks. And thank you so much for the ribbon and twine. Girl, you outdid yourself. Okay. We are getting to the bottom. Oh my god, Dina, what did you send me? Okay, sorry, I had to open this off camera, but this beautiful little box, and it says spring. Wait. Okay, so this belly, it's a belly man. Oh, how sweet are you? This is adorable. I love the shaker. And let's see what's inside this box. Girl, you made me what? This gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wow. Flower cart. Filled with flowers. No way. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely stunning. Dee, you already spoiled me so much. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, girl. Oh, I'm in love. And then she made me more flowers. Wow, these are so pretty. Thank you so much. Like, my desk is an explosion of, like, gorgeousness and beauty, and I'm so blessed. Thank you so much. But we are at the end of the journey. Oh my god, I'm so spoiled by you. Put this to the side. And we have the last piece here. Your mailbox. Oh my goodness. Your mailbox is absolutely stunning. Hold on. I just have to get all the shaker bits and stuff. Oh my god, your mailbox is so pretty. Look, you guys. And of course, it's very hard to film something like so dimensional 3D like this. Your mailbox is absolutely stunning. Wow. I love that you used the little post-it notes on the side. She stitched it. Look at the top. Wait a second. I feel like you used the same mailbox file as me. Oh, you did, but you've done a better job than I. I had such struggle with this. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Dee, you've created some magic here. So we've got here this adorable little tassel. I don't want to dismiss this. This is so cute. Tied on this bag. I don't even remember what we were supposed to swap, but you've done far too much. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. And I have no idea why your shaker mix almost looks like mine. This is so cute. So cute. Thank you so much. Oh, these are the die cuts that we were supposed to exchange. Yes, we had to send some die cuts, and you cut them all in these pretty papers. I love the Cupid, which I don't have. These conversation hearts. I'm just trying to keep it all together. I'm just like so overwhelmed. She has cut out like so many different conversation hearts with different pinks and reds. I love it. Let's see what else is in here. Girl, she sent me a whole bunch of stickers and blings. Thank you for spoiling me. Oh, these are those adorable little jelly conversation heart stickers. Love those. Oh my god, and you did more die cuts. Sentiments. I'm just going to open this. Girl, you've done too much. So thankful for all of this, because you know what? This takes a lot of time to crank it out, and oh my gosh, I'm speechless. Oh, and you created some cake 3-tier tray die cuts in here for me. Thank you. It's like never ending, girl. Oh, these are embellishments. Oh my god, yay. How pretty are these? Oh my god, I love this die. It's so cute. Perfect for the sweet theme. Because I struggled with the sweet. And I love these heart embellishments that you've created. Absolutely, darling. And here is the last of it. My Valentine's Day card. How pretty is this? Dee, you have got me absolutely speechless. Thank you so much for spoiling me, and I really am so appreciative of everything that you've sent me. You've done far too much, and oh wait, I found another bag. I'm sorry, I missed this. Oh, and she sent me a whole bunch of foam stickers. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing with me. Dee, thank you for spoiling me. I'm going to leave all of Dina's information down below. She's obviously uber talented, and I'm going to sit here for like 20 minutes and just overlook everything that you've sent me. Thank you so much, babe. This mailbox is gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.